sunrise breaks the night apart. Candles flame a holy light. Hands will raise with pure intent. Hearts align in day's ascent. Robes of white and dreams anew. Steps of grace that guide us through. Voices whisper sacred vows. Faith unites as we allow. Hold the flame within your soul. Guide the weary, make them whole. With benediction be the guide. Through the shadows walk with pride. Incense curls in veils of smoke. Ancient words with power spoke. Gathered hands in prayer unite. Under heaven's guiding light. With each prayer a pledge is made. In this hallowed room we lay. To lift the hearts to love and peace, that all suffering may cease. In the quiet feel the call. Answer now and give your all. Through the trial stand your